Hey everyone, Mark here from the windowcleaningstore.com. Now you may recall a few weeks ago I released a video on our most popular winter gloves. These are the 282 Temres gloves. And they are waterproof. They got this nice warm fleece lining inside. And of course when you put them on, as I described in that video, very flexible. You can maintain that dexterity when you're doing winter work, doing very detailed stuff. You don't have to take the gloves off all the time to do that detailed work. Very good, and the reason why these are so popular. However, for some people, gloves still aren't going to cut it because you have your fingers in the individual finger sections here. The fingers aren't keeping themselves warm by staying close together, which is why some people much prefer mitts, which we do sell as well. These are the Joka top grip mitts. They are made in Finland, and if anybody knows about trying to keep your hands warm in the winter, it's got to be people from Finland, right? But good quality, top quality. You can see the rubber outer shell is waterproof. Got this nice texture on there, which means when you're handling tools, shovel, extension poles, any kind of tools that you're working with in the wintertime, you're going to be able to get a nice good grip on that. And the liners, they are removable and you can wash them. Nice thick fleece liners to keep you warm. And we do sell the fleece liners on their own as well. And it's another, couple good reasons why you'd want to do that. Obviously, because this is going to wear out in time, the outer shell may still be good. It's good to be able to know that you can replace just the liner itself rather than buying a whole new pair of mitts. But also, you could be working throughout the day, and let's say for whatever reason, you're working in the winter, you're working around snow and whatever. Maybe snow or slush gets in there and you start to get wet, or even just you're doing a lot of work and you start to sweat a bit. It's nice that you can just take these out and slip in a fresh pair halfway through your day, keeping your hands warm throughout the rest of the day. Anyway, like I said, we sell the mitts, we sell the gloves. These are the most popular, but for those of you who much prefer mitts and maybe you feel the cold more, maybe you don't have the really good circulation, these will certainly serve you well, good quality. Anyway, thanks for watching the windowcleaningstore.com. Bye for now.